Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to animate text in Shotcut Text Keyframe Animation Easy Shotcut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, once you're already on your Shotcut and you have added the clip that you want to use, it's time to add in the text that you want to animate. To do so, we're going to head here on filters, and if you're not seeing this onto your end, we have another option here onto the upper part. Simply click onto that and click onto its plus icon to add in a filter. Here on the search bar, we're going to go ahead and type in text and we'll choose text simple. Once you have chosen that, it's time to update the text here to the text that you want to add. For example, test text. Right after that, you could go ahead and update its settings like its font color, outline, thickness, background, opacity, and many more. So we could try to resize this one out. So let's make that one smaller. And right after, we're going to position this onto the part when we want to start the animation. For example, onto this part. And just make sure that this white line is onto the first part of the video as well. To add in a keyframe, click onto this icon in here. And to go ahead and add in another one, we're going to drag this one onto the part where we want to go ahead and have it move or stop like this one. And we're going to move this text. So we're going to position this over here. And we're going to move this again. And then we'll position this on another space and it will automatically add its keyframe. Now onto the last part, let's bring it back here onto the center. And if you do a quick preview, this is now how your video should look like. And that is how easy you could go ahead and add animation on text in Shotcut Text Keyframe Animation. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.